Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to apply the retro style mall studio effect on a photo on your Samsung Galaxy device. So this nostalgic filter recreates the vintage mall studio photography style from the 80s or the 90s. The Nano AI adjusts your photo with neon lighting effect, gradient color wallpapers, soft glowing highlights, VHS style tones, vintage textures, and backgrounds. So it may add retro backdrops like street lights or pastel studio screens. The tool creates this iconic mall photo studio feel, instantly transporting your image back in time. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up Gemini. We'll go ahead and add an image. Let's go ahead and try this as well while we're here. Tap on Gallery, tap on Collections. Now we'll go ahead and choose a photo. So let's go ahead and create it with this image here. And now we'll go ahead and ask it to create a retro style mall photo studio. Turn this into a retro style mall studio photo. Let's go ahead and try this with
just a language model and can't help with that.
Oh, there you go. It has done something for us. So it's basically turned this into a retro style mall photo studio. Let's go ahead and try this with something else. Turn this into a retro style mall studio photo.
Sure, here is the image.
And there we go. So this worked. So as you can see, it's turned into a retro style mall studio photo. The background looks really fake. And you have this person sitting in front of it. So this is what the original photo looked like. And this is what the new photo looks like. So you have that nostalgic look as well, the vintage look. So this is perfect for fun, nostalgic edits. Great for profile photos, posters, memes, or themed social media posts. It gives your content a unique throwback identity. AI fine-tunes the lighting and contrast for authentic retro realism. So there you go guys, that's how to create the retro style mall studio photo effect on your Samsung Galaxy device.